Hello folks, this is Sharon Naraine and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful, oh my gosh, beautiful Sunshine State. Today is like, ah, it is like, feels like it is summer. The summer is here in Florida, folks. Awesome, amazing day. So I believe it's like almost 75-80 degrees. So folks, how is your weather at your neck of the wood? I just dropped my husband off dialysis and I went to the bank and then now I'm kind of trying to run a couple of more errands before I go pick him back up in a few hours. Okay, now let's see, there's a lot of things going on here. So folks, how is your day? What are you guys doing? Let's see, all the stop sign here. That's what happens when you're driving local. Oh, okay. All right, folks. Now here's the deal. I am always so grateful, so thankful because, you know, my husband wasn't well. I mean, there's a lot of things going on in our family, but you know what? It's all life, right? That's what life is all about. Okay, I got the green light. That's what life is all about, right? But here's the deal. We have to learn how to deal with life, okay? I'm not sure if many of you probably know, you know, I spent almost 2 months in the hospital back and forth, just to be exact. Let me see, we spent like 33 days in the hospital, leave out going in, back and forth, you know, maybe a day or two. So I was beginning to feel that the hospital I should go straight. I feel like, yes, the hospital was like my second home. That's how I felt. But here's the deal, folks. Here is the moral of my story. Here's where I'm going to. Alright, I am so grateful, and every time, I mean, let me just hold my composure. You know, I am so grateful, you know, that I do not work in the corporate world anymore. Okay, I do not have a boss. You know what? I am my own boss. Lincoln Village. I'm my own boss. I mean, I have multiple streams of income. Open house. Oh. Check that out. I'm a realtor, by the way, a realtor consultant. Okay. Besides that, I have a few offline business, direct mailing. I have 2 direct mailings going on. I do have, okay, this is 50. I gotta make a left here. I'm doing the Impact Mailing Club, folks. If you're not in that, I tell you, you need to get into. Go to fastcashwithsharon.com. Fast, FASTCASH WITHSHARON.com. So it's fastcashwithsharon.com. Also, I am in this other one, which is really neat. Why I love this other one is that you have a level that can meet every need. Okay, starting from light. Oh, I missed this light. Nope, nope, nope. Can't do that. Um, so folks, you definitely definitely need to check that one out. Seriously. Seriously. And this one is called Cash in the Box. And as well as you could go to the website, which is createwealthwithsharon.com. Again, that's createwealthwithsharon.com, folks. Createwealthwithsharon.com. You seriously need to do that. Also, you have any question, feel free to call me. I'm very transparent, and I'm telling you the honest to God's truth. Very transparent. You need to call me, or texting is better, okay? Text me 352 area code 805-9846. Again, that's 352-805-9846. And I'm gonna turn here now at Oakley. Okay, 352-805-9846. And folks, I will love to have you in my team. I would love to be able to coach you, to teach you, to show you how easy it is to make money all from the comfort of your home. Okay? As a matter of fact, anybody can do this, the direct mailing business. Anyone can do that, folks. Anybody can do that. As long as you're 18 years of age and over. Okay? You can do that, folks. And it is very simple. Now, this is really good for those stay-home moms and dads, stay-home entrepreneurs, who are looking especially to add an extra stream of income to their arsenal, to their collection, I call it. Okay? As well as retirees, as well as college student. Oh my goodness, folks. You can get the entire family going. Alright? Get the entire family to help you. How hard and difficult it is. Now, the 4 levels we have in the Impact Mailing Club, as a matter of fact, there's a promotion going on. If you sign up at any level, you will automatically be bumped up to the upper level. The 1 level higher than that. Absolutely free. You don't have to pay all that kind of money. Alright? So definitely you want to take advantage of that. And this is a promotion that Rose had extended until March the 15th. Okay? March 15th of this year, of course, 2020. And that will end at midnight of March 15th Eastern Standard Time. Folks, this is a great way for you to jump into the Impact Mailing Club. Okay, folks, once you choose which level and how much money you would like to make, once you choose that, then what will happen is that, as long as everybody receive their money, the sponsor, which is me, and also admin. Now, folks, you can reach out to me. I do, as a matter of fact, money is being sent like with cash, or you can even do, I have Venmo, I have, Cash App. Okay, that's what I'm taking. You can choose whichever payment processor you want. You can choose that, folks. So it's not a big deal, okay? You can receive payment anyhow, whichever way you want. So once money is being received, then I notify admin, the company, that everything is squared away, and then you will be receiving your package. You will be receiving your kit. Okay, will come out in the mail, all right, in 3 to 5 business days. You will receive that, and then once you receive that, you're good to go, folks. You're good to go. At whichever level you choose, that's how many leads you will be getting. You will be getting the leads. You don't have to be chasing after anybody because you will be getting the leads. All right. Once you get the leads, then the leads is gonna come and it's like a peel and stick. Okay, it's a peel and stick labels. Okay, once you get that, the peel and stick labels, you are good to go. Then you get your reseller rights, you get all the brochures. I mean, then you have to make copies with the rest. But you will be getting everything that's necessary for you to start making money right away. For you to start stuff those envelopes with, you know, your cover letter and with information about the business. Okay, folks, you are all set to go once you do that. Folks, this is so simple. So reach out to me, okay? I am willing, ready, and able to help you. Okay, I am willing, ready, and able. So call me 352-805-9846. You go to fastcashwithsharon.com, as well as you go to createwealthwithsharon.com. And I am heading over here to the supermarket. I am heading over here to get a few things in the house. Okay, folks, again, this is Sharon Naraine, and I can't wait to welcome you into my team. Take care. Of course, there's training, support, all of that. Besides me, we have a beautiful Facebook group, you name it. So, folks, take care. I'm going to head out into the store to pick up a few things before I go back to get my husband. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye for now.